Ho, 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 Merry Christmas, future entrepreneurs, and welcome back to My Business Success. As Santa Claus, I've seen many gifts over the years, but let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the gift of knowledge. And what better way to gain knowledge than through books? This Christmas, whether you're just starting out on your entrepreneurial journey or looking to enhance your skills, I've got a list of 10 must-read books that you should ask for as gifts. These books will fill your mind with ideas, strategies, and the inspiration you need to build your own business empire. Let's dive into our top picks for this holiday season. First on my list is a classic, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is like a sack full of financial wisdom. It teaches the difference between assets and liabilities and why the rich keep getting richer. It's the perfect book for beginners who want to understand the basics of financial literacy and the mindset needed to achieve financial independence. If you're looking to change the way you think about money, this is the book to start with. Next up in Santa's entrepreneurial bag of goodies is The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. This book introduces the concept of building a business using lean principles. It's all about starting small, learning quickly, and adapting. Ries emphasizes the importance of creating a minimum viable product, MVP, to test ideas and gather customer feedback. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to build a successful startup without wasting time and resources. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is another timeless treasure. This book dives into the power of the mind and the importance of having a clear purpose. Hill shares the secrets of the most successful people and the mindset they adopted to achieve greatness. It's not just about making money. It's about developing the right habits and attitudes that will lead to success in all areas of life. A perfect gift to set the right mindset for the new year. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel is a guide to creating something truly innovative. Thiel challenges entrepreneurs to think differently and create products or services that bring something entirely new to the market. It's about going from 0 to 1 rather than just making incremental improvements. This book is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to learn how to build a business that stands out from the competition. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a game changer when it comes to personal development. Clear explains how small, consistent habits can lead to significant changes over time. It's all about making tiny adjustments in your daily routine that accumulate into big results. Whether you're looking to be more productive, improve your health, or build a business, this book offers practical advice for making lasting changes. Start with Why by Simon Sinek is a must-read for understanding the power of purpose. Sinek explains how great leaders and companies inspire action by focusing on the why behind what they do. This book will help you define your mission and inspire others to follow you. It's an essential read for anyone looking to lead with purpose and build a loyal following. Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek is perfect for anyone dreaming of financial freedom. Ferriss provides strategies for automating your life, outsourcing tasks, and focusing on what truly matters. It's about creating a lifestyle that allows you to work less and live more. A great gift for those who want to build a business that works for them, not the other way around. Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and Renee Moborn is a guide to finding untapped market space. This book teaches you how to create uncontested market space and make the competition irrelevant. Instead of competing in crowded markets, it encourages you to innovate and create a blue ocean where you can thrive. It's perfect for entrepreneurs looking to differentiate themselves and find unique opportunities. Shoe Dog by Phil Knight is the memoir of the man behind Nike. This book provides a behind-the-scenes look at the trials and triumphs of building one of the most iconic brands in the world. Knight shares his journey from selling shoes out of his car to creating a global empire. It's an inspiring read that shows the grit and determination required to succeed in business. Good to Great by Jim Collins is essential reading for understanding what makes companies truly exceptional. Collins and his research team analyze why some companies make the leap to greatness while others don't. It offers insights into leadership, discipline, and the practices that separate good companies from great ones. If you want to build a business that stands the test of time, this book is a must-read. So there you have it, Santa's top 10 books for aspiring entrepreneurs. Each of these books offers a unique perspective on business, finance, and personal growth. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your knowledge, these reads are the perfect addition to your Christmas wish list. Remember, the gift of knowledge is one that keeps on giving. By learning from the experiences and insights of successful entrepreneurs and thought leaders, you can start your own journey with a strong foundation. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite books or ones you're excited to read. Merry Christmas, and may your entrepreneurial dreams come true.